Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility and gathering the right gear. Plug a 20W or higher USB-C PD charger into a wall outlet. Make sure the USB-C cable is intact. Place the MagSafe Bank on a flat surface and wipe the magnets clean so they connect tightly. Once done, connect the cable to the bank's USB-C input and watch the LED indicators. They show charging progress. This initial step ensures efficient power transfer and prevents slow charging or overheating as you continue. Once the bank is connected to power, monitor its LED pattern to see real-time progress. If LEDs blink, charging is ongoing. Solid lights mean nearing full. Make sure you don't block ventilation or place the bank on a metal surface, which can slow or disrupt charging. If you're charging an iPhone magnetically, remove very thick cases to improve MagSafe coupling and place the phone squarely in the center. These adjustments speed charging and maintain safe temperatures as the battery refills. You complete the process by unplugging the bank once the indicators show full or sufficient charge and store it at around 50% for long term. If charging fails, make sure to test another certified PD charger and cable. Sometimes a faulty cable is the culprit. Make sure firmware isn't required for issues. Check any manufacturer reset steps. If the bank overheats, disconnect immediately, let it cool for at least 30 minutes, and retry in a cooler room. This protects both device and battery longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.